How to turn on or turn off fast wireless charging on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on battery. Then we scroll down and tap on charging settings. Next, tap on fast wireless charging. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can charge your device wirelessly and you can charge it fast. And that's it. You can charge it using the wireless sensor at the back here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.